Hi guys, welcome to qasimcad YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to draw a complex looking basic shape in AutoCAD. First of all, draw a circle with the C command. The radius of the circle is 5. Draw a vertical line using the line tool. Draw a small circle again. Radius of this circle is 2. Type O command for offset. Select the circle and enter the offset value 1.5 to make both circles offset. Draw 2 horizontal lines and trim the extra part of the circle. Use the polyline command and attach both semicircles. For making an arc during the polyline command, simply type a for arc and type D for arc direction. After drawing one side of the line, just mirror it. Offset again all lines and middle circles and trim the extra parts. Now go to the isometric view and draw 3 vertical lines for reference. Select the left side view as a top view in the coordinates tab and draw the side view of the model using all these commands: line, polyline, fillet, and mirror. After completion of this view, join all lines with the J command. This will help us to extrude the object. Go to isometric view again and join the second object with the same method. Extrude both models using the EXT command and make sure both models are center to center. Subtract the first model's inner circle and the middle shape using the subtract command. Select the intersect command in the Home tab, select both models and hit enter. Your model is done. 3D fillet the edges and make it smooth so it looks more perfect. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any questions.